friends, myself Rahul from The Traders. Now today I will explain you how to operate these cold fires with the help of these machines, the devices of 8 channel. This is the 8 channel machine, and I will show you how to operate it. It comes in a flight case, aluminum flight case it is. All the 8 devices were there, okay. You can see the safety. All the 8 devices were put it here, okay. This is a instruction manual how to operate this. It is there, and it is an aluminum based, very useful thing because it is easy to handle also, flight case, for the safety of it, right. So these are very popular for the event management people, because there is no need to connect each pyro with the wire. There is a device, cold fire device it is a cold fire. So here we have put it the 9-watt battery, and you can see there 9-watt battery is there. Like this, okay, and make this button on, so 2 lights will blink together, okay. And you have to put this cold fire here. These 2 wires you have to put in black and red slot, right, and then you can fire this cold fire with the help of these devices, okay. These are, it comes with the 2 remote systems. These are 2 remotes for 8 to operate these all 8 cold fire devices, okay. If you want to fire all the devices together, I mean in a single shot, you want to fire all the 8 devices all with the cold fire. So there is a single remote, you have to press this button. So with the help of this button you can fire all the cold fires in a single shot, single time, okay. And the second thing, if you want, these 2 are AA, okay, then BB, CC, DD, okay, like this. There are A, B, C, D buttons are there. If you want to fire only these 2 devices of number A, you just press this button. So these lights will be blinking, okay. So if you want to fire B devices together, so you can press this button B, and similarly C and D. You can do also pairing, if you want, 1, 3, 5, I mean odd numbers together. So you can press A, then C, and accordingly, if you want to fire the even numbers separately and odd numbers separately. So this is also very useful in the 8 channel machines also there. So pairing I will let you know how to operate in the next video. First of all, like a cold fire, there are some other things like this paper blast you can operate. There is a wire, you have to put like this and connect these wires here and put the button on, it will start. Just like a ribbon blaster is also there. I will show you the video how to operate it. And one more thing, if you're not able to purchase these devices, if it is costly for you, so one more thing, there is a pyro stand. It is very useful. Pyro stand is there. These wires can be from here, put here, and give the connection accordingly, according to your space, in what space you want to put the on the stage, different pyros, in what positions you want to put, and connect it with the series with the wires, okay, and then plug it to direct AC supply, and on it all together will blow at a single time. This is also very useful thing if you don't have the remote system and you want to shot all the pyros at a single time. For this purpose, this is very useful stand. So I will show you how to operate all these things from the device, from the cold pyro devices. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe our channel and like the video, so that regular basis I can share some different kind of products with you. Thank you so much.
चलो
Okay, so guys, this is the channel. You can see we have loaded the 9-watt battery here. Close this. There is an on off button. Both the lights are blinking. When we'll attach the any electric paper blast or cold fire in these slots to wires, so only this light, power light, will blink. Okay, I mean only this will be on at that time, and at that time we have to press the button and it will start blowing. Cut. अब पीछे ले लीजिए,
पीछे लेके पैरों भी ले
ठीक है, स्टार्ट करो, ठीक है,
करो
ऊपर अचानक फटेंगे
like this. This is a paper blaster. It is attached with the fire system device. So you can see there is a light blinking, power light. So it means it is connected. Okay. So now we have to fire the paper blast. This is the paper blast, different color, very beautiful. We have connected the cold pyro with the 2 wires, red and black slots, you can see, and only power button is on, so that means it is connected. It is already connected. We have to just press the button and it will start like this. Absolutely cold. Height is also going very high, at least 13 to 14 feet.